Could not start my morning without getting me a little start busy. Oh, you guys, this Starbucks is so good. I didn't get the Danish because I don't want the Danish. I need to have my little thing, eat me a whole thing of vegetables, some salad, some salmon, some chicken breast. So I can get all the way snatched again. It's so crazy because I only put on 6 pounds, but you know, you short, it just distributes differently. And then when you get older too, and after kids, it just distributes differently, and it seems like it's carrying around my tummy area. So I'm gonna do my little salad, do my little thing or whatever, so that way I can lean back up a little bit. And then once I have more time on my hands, I'll start going to the gym and things like that. But for right now, this is what we're finna do. Anyway, I wanted to get some Starbucks. I'm gonna go ahead and drink this, listen to my music, head back to the house, and I can show you guys, because I grabbed some boxes, they're in the trunk. I'm gonna show you guys that stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys the pendant because they are absolutely gorgeous. I didn't do it myself because I don't have all the tools and stuff to get in the roof, but y'all, this was the most I think I've ever spent on some doggone electrician some work. Okay, I think it was way too much money, but I was already, you know, knee in deep in him working. But if I have to wait for my electrician guy, I'm just gonna have to wait because this was bananas. I'm not gonna stay on here too long, but I wanted to haul a couple things. One of my subscribers, Miss Nichelle, she was in the process of moving, and while going through some of her things, she said, a few years ago you did a video and you shared this. I bought it, but I didn't use it. Would you like it? So basically, I bought it from her and she shipped it to me. You guys are gonna know this so well. And don't say I don't need to, cause that ain't none of your business. I think she said she was gonna have a garage sale or something, and she said, before I gave it to anyone else, I wanted to give you an opportunity to see it. You wanted it. And I was like, yes, because I have it in my closet, but then I also wanted to put it in my office. So now I get to have one in my office and in my closet. So I'm really happy about that. You guys, Pottery Barn, do you remember when I hauled this and I was like, it's like $30? And a few of you guys went to your local store to purchase it. And, well, I was gonna say not take everything out, but I'm gonna just take it out and I'll put it in my bathroom for now. Pretty much what she said is this thing, like, it's been in storage. I think she has an apartment, and in the apartment she has like a garage or something, and it's pretty much kind of like been there. So I am really excited for it because I actually really like Pottery Barn. I do find some of the things to be a little pricey. The price on the side says $89, which I don't know if I would have spent $89. I'm gonna be honest, but I do really love it. I probably would have. I don't know. But I do really love the piece a whole lot. But I loved it a whole lot more when I took it to the register and they said it was $30-something or $20-something. I don't remember exactly. But you guys, so you can put like your pencils, scissors, paper clips, the whole 9 yards in here, and I love it. And now my office gets to have it. I'm really excited about that. And I'm just, for right now, I'm just gonna put it right here. The other thing is the pendants are installed. I'm gonna be honest, there was like, the hole had to be a little bit bigger, and of course change the box. I'm gonna go downstairs and share that with you guys. I can tell you now, in terms of some of the electrical stuff, it's probably gonna take longer than expected to get done because it's just crazy. Like, I'm not trying to pay what people are trying to charge. I'm gonna be honest, that's probably the most money I think I've ever spent getting light put up ever in my life. I mean, I do know that my regular electrician, you know, I don't think he gives me a deal, to be honest with you. I think he charges me what he charges everybody else because he's done, you know, work or whatever, and he works all over. And but today I was like, that's not gonna happen again. I personally thought it was too much money. That's just my personal opinion. And maybe I'm looking at it like that because I know how to put up a light fixture. So the reason why I pay for light to be put up is because I have a lot going on, and I was just like, I don't feel like cutting into the ceiling. I don't feel like doing this. Let me just hire someone. But if I have to do it, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but it's gonna get done. But I'm not gonna pay nobody that. So here is my second candle. The one downstairs is still burning. So I have this one. This thing is so heavy. I don't know. I'm not going to take the bowl off because I have difficulty putting it back on. Y'all, I can't lift both boxes, okay? But there's one and there's two. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I'm not going to take the bowl off. This is the Peony and Blush. I absolutely love it. Once the flooring gets done and the console goes back here, I'm going to have my candle, my little figurine right there, my little lighter to do it, the wall art. So this little niche area here will be situated. So this little wall area right here will be situated and all like pretty. So you're probably going to see a lot of pictures on Instagram. Don't be like, you keep posting the same pictures. Yes, because the only area of the house that's actually done. But yeah, I'm super grateful. Super everything. Today's basically like my first time waking up in the house. Last night I did a, you know, first night in the house and stuff. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. I was a little scared, you know what I'm saying? But I wasn't like too freakishly scared or anything. But you know, you keep hearing noises. I just locked all the doors. I think the house is just gonna like creak in general, just because one, there's nothing in the house, so you hear every little thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs, and I'm gonna share with you guys the pendant. And y'all can see that, you guys. And look at the ceiling. You cannot see anything. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy because it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Let me give you guys a quick zoom so you guys can see all the details in it. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Ah! And I still love this a whole lot too. So pretty. So you see the little blue prongs? They were just kind of sticking out just a hair. You could see it on the side. So it wasn't allowing the light to be flush. So that was what I was dealing with. Also, trash and recycling has been installed. I have to get the number of the bags, that way I can order them and have that installed inside. But it looks so good. I'm so happy with everything. I'm getting things done slowly but surely. It's getting done. Hey you guys, before I go, I wanted to share with you guys a really quick before and after. Here is a quick look at what the kitchen looked like pre new light fixture. Again, during the process I shared with you guys that I did not upgrade the pendants. These pretty much came with the house, and I guess you can consider it to be free, you know. But like I said, I didn't change them because I knew going in I was going to be able to select something a little bit different that was going to match the style aesthetic that I was going for. So here is a really quick look at the new lighting fixture that I added, and here it is, you guys. This is what the kitchen currently looks like. A lot of you guys are asking about the pendant, and you guys are DMing me and emailing me also. I will be leaving the link in the description box, that way you guys can shop it. Funny thing is, when I shopped this about a month ago, you guys were not interested, but the minute they went up, you guys are absolutely loving it. So I'm gonna leave it down below if you're interested in shopping. Like I said,
It will be down there. I will see you guys next time. Bye.